Welcome back, Focus Learners. Today is day 31 of our Explainer series, and we are cracking open the actual technology driving the modern world right now, neural networks. I know, it sounds a bit like science fiction at first, right? But stick with me, because by the end of this highly accessible, beginner-friendly journey, you'll understand exactly how we are teaching computers to think like human brains. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this lesson plan. We'll start with an intro to neural networks, break down core concepts and workflow, look at real-world AI applications, jump into hands-on practice and prep, and finish up with the summary and final assignment.
Section 1. Intro to Neural Networks, Establishing the Baseline.
Our primary goal today is to deeply understand both the theory and the application of neural networks absolutely without feeling overwhelmed. At its absolute most basic level, a neural network is just a computer program designed to recognize patterns, and it's actually inspired directly by the biology of the human brain. We're going to strip away all that intimidating jargon and show you exactly how it thinks, ensuring you completely master these core concepts and real-world applications. Section 2, Core Concepts and Workflow, Unpacking the Black Box.
Let's actually unpack that black box. The magic of a neural network really comes down to a few key terms. Isolating and mastering this specific vocabulary is the very first crucial step to demystifying AI technology. Think of nodes, or neurons, as tiny little decision makers. Now, these are stacked up in what we call layers. You have an input layer to receive the raw data, hidden layers right in the middle to do all the heavy thinking and pattern finding, and finally, an output layer to spit out your final answer.
And this brilliantly illustrates the workflow of how we process these complex concepts step by step. Once you have those nodes, how do they actually talk to each other? Well, data enters that input layer, and as it passes from one layer to the next, the network assigns things called weights. It's basically deciding which pieces of information are the most important. Through a massive process of trial and error, it keeps adjusting these weights until it gets the answer right. And that trial and error, that is literally what we call learning. It's a logical sequential progression from grasping the concepts to understanding the entire digital workflow.
Section 3. Real-world AI applications. Neural networks in the wild.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is seeing how this exact workflow solves massive real-world problems. Over in healthcare, these aren't just generic tools. We're talking about AI analyzing microscopic anomalies in MRI scans to spot tumors way earlier than humanly possible. In education, neural networks are driving personalized learning products that literally adapt to a student's individual pace in real time. And in finance, they process millions of transactions a second to instantly freeze your card if they spot fraud. The foundational math is exactly the same across the board, but the application completely changes the world.
Section 4. Hands-on practice and prep. Putting it to the test.
You know, theory is great, but practical application is absolutely everything. This is a crucial transition. We've set up a practice regimen for you that includes a hands-on mini project and a quick quiz. Building your own simple network, even if you're just sketching it out on paper, is the vital bridge between knowing the jargon and actually understanding the mechanics. It forces you to actively apply what you've learned, so it really locks into your long-term memory for future career growth.
So, take a second and ask yourself honestly, are you ready for Viva and placement interview questions on this topic? If a hiring manager looked across the table right now and asked you to explain what a hidden layer actually does, could you do it?
Well, the good news here is that interview prep is absolutely not about memorizing flashcards. No way, because you now understand the workflow, how data moves through those layers, and how networks adjust weights to learn. You can easily explain the why behind the tech. When you derive your answers directly from these core concepts, you prove to employers that you have true working knowledge, whether they throw a healthcare AI or a finance modeling question at you.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Section 5. Summary and final assignment, the final output.
So the crucial point is just looking at how far we've actually come today. We took beginner-friendly concepts and mapped out exactly how nodes and layers process data. We saw how networks adjust weights to learn, and we connected that very architecture to life-saving healthcare tech, adaptive education tools, and split-second finance fraud detection. You have officially made that satisfying progression from raw theory to practical job readiness.
Now for your final assignment. I want you to dive in and map out a simple neural network on paper. Pick a basic problem, something like predicting if it's going to rain tomorrow, and just write out what your input data would be, what decisions those hidden layers need to make, and what your final output is. Definitely complete this practical exercise. It is going to prove to yourself that this knowledge is completely locked in. When you sit down to tackle that exercise today, I want to leave you with this one thought. How will you use your final assignment to push the boundaries of AI in your chosen field? You've got the tools and the terminology now. Go build something amazing. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you next time.